Hello JEE aspirants, welcome to Infinity Learn by श्री चैतन्य एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशंस। आई एम प्रज्ञा, मैथमेटिक्स फैकल्टी फ्रॉम इन्फिनिटी लर्न। बच्चों, आज हम देखेंगे मोस्ट इजीएस्ट क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम जेईई एडवांस एग्जामिनेशन, इन पर्टिकुलर फ्रॉम द टॉपिक्स डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन एंड क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। तो उसके पहले देखो बच्चों, अगर आपने जेईई मेंस क्लियर किया है और अगर आप जेईई एडवांस की तैयारी कर रहे हो तो यहाँ पे इन्फिनिटी लर्न आपके लिए ला रहा है ऑल इंडिया टेस्ट सीरीज फॉर जेईई एडवांस एग्जामिनेशन। और ये जो ऑफर है आपके लिए वो फ्री है, तो इसका आप यूज कर सकते हो। और ये जो ऑफर है वो है फॉर लिमिटेड पीरियड टाइम, तो प्लीज इसका यूज करो। नेक्स्ट देखो बच्चों, अगर आपने जेईई मेंस की एग्जाम दी है और आपकी रैंक भी आपको पता है, तो अगर आपको कॉलेज देखना है कि रैंक वहाँ पे डाल के कौन सा कॉलेज आपको मिल सकता है, तो ये भी आप कर सकते हो। तो यहाँ पे अगर आपकी रैंक आपने वहाँ पे डाली तो जो पॉसिबिलिटीज ऑफ कॉलेजेस है उसकी लिस्ट आपको मिल जाएगी। मतलब पॉसिबल आईआईटीज कौन सी मिलेगी, एनआईटीज कौन सी मिलेगी, ट्रिपल आईआईटीज कौन सी मिलेगी, प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस आपको कौन से मिलेंगे, ये आपको यहाँ से पता चलेगा। तो प्लीज इसका भी आप यूज करो। अब देखो बच्चों, अगर आपके मेंस में इतने अच्छे मार्क्स नहीं आए हैं तो आप उदास मत हो जाओ, क्योंकि बहुत ही अच्छे प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस है जो कि बहुत अच्छा प्लेसमेंट देते हैं। और कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि मेंस में अच्छी रैंक नहीं आती है तो जो आपको चाहिए वो कॉलेज नहीं मिलता, या आपको जो ब्रांच चाहिए वो नहीं मिलती। तो उस केस में आपको इन जो प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस है वहाँ पे भी आप ट्राई कर सकते हो। वहाँ पे भी जो अगर सपोज आपको कंप्यूटर साइंस में जाना है और आपको एनआईटी आईआईटीज में वो ब्रांच नहीं मिल रही, तो आप इन प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस में कंप्यूटर साइंस ब्रांच ले सकते हो और वहाँ पे भी अच्छा खासा प्लेसमेंट हो जाता है। तो यहाँ पे इन प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस के एडमिशन के लिए भी आपको एंट्रेंस एग्जाम देनी पड़ती है। और जो जेईई की सिलेबस है वो और इन सब का जो सिलेबस है वो ऑलमोस्ट सेम है, तो वहाँ पे कुछ आपको अलग नहीं करना है, सिर्फ रिवाइज करना है जो कि ऑलरेडी आपने पढ़ा हुआ है। तो इसके लिए देखो बीट साट वीआईटी ट्रिपल ये सारे एग्जाम्स हैं, तो इनके आप एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म भर सकते हो और वो एग्जाम भी दे सकते हो। अब देखो सिलेबस तो आपको पता है, लेकिन आपको एक बार पता करना पड़ेगा कि क्वेश्चन पेपर पैटर्न क्या है। तो इसके लिए आपको मॉक टेस्ट देना बहुत जरूरी है। तो इन्फिनिटी लर्न आपके लिए ला रहा है 26 टोटल। यहाँ पे देखो ऑल इंडिया टेस्ट सीरीज दे सकते हो विच आर कवरिंग 7 एग्जाम्स। उसके साथ ही 35 ऑनलाइन मॉक टेस्ट आप दे सकते हो। और जब आप मॉक टेस्ट दोगे तो आपको डिटेल्ड में सॉल्यूशन मिलेगा उस मॉक टेस्ट का, और जो आपका परफॉर्मेंस रिपोर्ट है वो भी आपको तुरंत मिल जाएगा। तो प्लीज आप मॉक टेस्ट देना शुरू करो। तो ये जो है यहाँ पे अगर आपने यूज किया कूपन कोड बेस्ट 70 OFF तो आपको 70% ऑफ मिलेगा। तो प्लीज आप इसका यूज करो और अप्लाई करना स्टार्ट करो, ठीक है। अब हम स्टार्ट करेंगे हमारे जो आज का टॉपिक है वो। तो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे एडवांस क्वेश्चन, फर्स्ट फ्रॉम डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन एंड नेक्स्ट फ्रॉम क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन। लेट्स टेक फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। तो यहाँ पे दिया कंसीडर फैमिली ऑफ ऑल सर्कल्स हुज सेंटर लाई ऑन स्ट्रेट लाइन y इक्वल टू x। If this family of circle is represented by differential equation py double dash plus qy dash plus 1 equal to 0, where p and q are functions of x and y respectively, then which one of the following is true? And see, if you clearly observe the options, then they are involving what is the relation between p and q or what is the value of p. So here you need to find what is p, what is q, and then you need to check everything else. So our job is to find what is p and what is q. Means we need to form first our differential equation. And how we can form our differential equation? With the help of given information. So they are saying consider family of all circle whose center lie on a straight line y equal to x. Now if center lies on y equal to x, then what will be the form of center? Center will be of the form h comma k, right? Y equal to x means h equal to k. So you can write it as h comma h or k comma k, since your center is lying on x equal to y. But what is the radius of circle? That we don't know. They have not specified it. तो यहाँ पे देखो जो सेंटर है वो तो पता चला, this is your line x equal to y. So center is lying here, anywhere, maybe here, maybe here. And what is the radius? That we don't know. Radius is also arbitrary and center is also arbitrary. Center has the form x and y both coefficient coordinates are equal. So let center be a comma a and let radius be r, and both are arbitrary. We don't know the value. So what will be the equation of circle? Equation of circle will be x minus a whole square plus y minus a whole square equal to r square. Count number of independent arbitrary constants. How many number of independent arbitrary constants are here? A and R, two independent arbitrary constant. So what will be order of differential equation? 2. Both are equal, right? Number of independent arbitrary constant, it's same as order of differential equation. So as order of this differential equation will be 2, hence we want y double dash term. So we need to differentiate this curve 2 times. So differentiate. So you will get, see, x minus a, 2 times x minus a into 1 minus 0 plus 2 times y minus a into y dash equal to 0. 2 will get cancelled. So this is our second equation. Again we need to differentiate this one more time. So differentiate. So here this differentiation is 1. Here you have to apply product rule. So it will be y minus a into y double dash plus this will be y dash into y dash. That means square equal to 0. And this is third. Now see what is our job in order to form differential equation? To eliminate independent arbitrary constant. So in third, see, if you check clearly, here a is only one independent arbitrary constant. See, r यहाँ पे नहीं है, तो हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? a को भी eliminate करना पड़ेगा. Now how can we eliminate this a? See, with the help of equation 2 and equation 1, we need to eliminate. So equation 1 is involving quadratic, right? Square. कैलकुलेशन बहुत लेंथी हो जाएगा तो उसको हम छोड़ेंगे. सेकेंड से देखो a आप निकाल सकते हो क्या? ये थोड़ा लीनियर है तो यहाँ से इजीली निकाल सकते हैं, तो इसको थोड़ा यूज करो. तो यहाँ से आपको मिलेगा, देखो, x माइनस ए प्लस वाई वाई डैश माइनस ए वाई डैश इक्वल टू 0. दिस इम्प्लाइज यू विल गेट x वाई वाई डैश इक्वल टू a inside 1 plus y dash, and this implies you will get a as x plus y dash divided by 1 plus y dash. Now substitute here. Then your 3 becomes 1 plus y minus a, and what is your a? X plus y dash divided by 1 plus y dash into you have y double dash plus y dash square is equal to 0. और यहाँ से बच्चों आपको मिलेगा ये 1 plus LCM लो, LCM is 1 plus y dash. Here you will get what? Y into 1 plus y into y dash minus x minus y dash, माइनस मल्टीप्लाई होगा. तो यहाँ पे देखो y डैश वाली टर्म कैंसिल होगी न्यूमरेटर में, तो यहाँ पे आपको ये मिलेगा y माइनस एक्स डिवाइडेड बाई 1 प्लस वाई डैश इंटू वाई डबल डैश प्लस वाई डैश स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 0. और ये बच्चों आपको देगा 1 प्लस वाई डैश प्लस वाई माइनस एक्स इंटू वाई डबल डैश प्लस वाई डैश स्क्वायर इंटू 1 प्लस वाई डैश आफ्टर टेकिंग एलसीएम. सो दिस विल बिकम वाई डैश स्क्वायर प्लस वाई डैश क्यूब इक्वल टू, डिनोमिनेटर में 1 प्लस वाई डैश है, उधर जाएगा और 0 इंटू 1 प्लस वाई डैश 0 मिलेगा. अब स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मेट में रखो, तो ये है आपका y माइनस एक्स इंटू वाई डबल डैश प्लस टेक वाई डैश कॉमन, तो अंदर बचेगा यहाँ पे 1, यहाँ पे वाई डैश और यहाँ पे वाई डैश स्क्वायर, और बाहर में आएगा वाई डैश प्लस 1 इक्वल टू 0. They have given you what? P times y double dash plus q times y dash plus 1 equal to 0. Now please compare the coefficients p and q. So from here you will get your p as y minus x and your q as 1 plus y dash plus y dash square. So your p is y minus x, so option B is correct, option A is wrong. And what is p plus q? P plus q is y minus x plus 1 plus y dash plus y dash square. And next your p minus q will be y minus x minus 1 minus y dash square. Now compare. See, p plus q, 1 is there, minus x is there, y is there, y dash is there, y dash square is there, so it is correct. P minus q, we want minus 1, it is not there, right? So it is wrong. Okay, so this is how you can do this question. Let's go for next question. Now see, in the next question, they have given differential equation. Your differential equation is 2 plus sin x upon y plus 1 into dy by dx equal to minus cos x, satisfying initial condition y0 equal to 1. Then they are asking what is the value of y at x equal to pi by 2. Okay, so let's start. So students, if you are carefully observing differential equation, see, here you will get dy by dx, see, 2 plus sin x upon y plus 1, and here you have minus cos x. So if you rearrange this, you will get dy by dx is equal to minus cos x upon 2 plus sin x into y plus 1. Okay. Now we will separate the variables. Are we able to separate? Yes. Why? Because here dy by dx taking the form fx into fy. So here this is variable separable form. So this is simplest form, right? So this will become dy upon y plus 1 equal to minus cos x upon 2 plus sin x into dx. Now integrate. So integration will be log to the base e y plus 1. It is equal to minus, this integration will be what? If you substitute 2 plus sin x as z, dz is cos x dx. So this is log to the base e 2 plus sin x plus log to the base e of c. C is what? Independent arbitrary constant. Constant of integration. Now see, here we have log, log, log. So you can cancel this log somehow with the help of properties of log, and that's why we have taken constant of integration with log in order to cancel, so that our calculation will become very easy. So this will become what? Log of y plus 1 plus log of 2 plus sin x equal to log c. So here generally we will take log of modulus, but it is like we know, ठीक है, assumption है हमारा कि हमने मॉडुलस y प्लस 1 ही लिखा है क्योंकि वो पॉजिटिव के लिए सिर्फ डिफाइंड है लॉग, इसीलिए. ओके, तो ये हो जाएगा आपका लॉग टू द बेस e मॉडुलस, यू कैन राइट y प्लस 1 log a प्लस log b is log ab. So this is 2 plus sin x equal to log to the base e of c. See, log and log will get cancelled. So from here students, you got y plus 1 into 2 plus sin x equal to c. Right? Now take initial condition, x is 0, y is 1. So here students, you have x as 0 and y as 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Sin 0 is 0, so 2 plus 0 is 2 equal to c. This implies you will get c as 4. So from here, you got y plus 1 into 2 plus sin x equal to 4. They are asking what is the value of y at x equal to pi by 2. Pi by 2. So substitute x equal to pi by 2. So you will get y plus 1 into 2 plus sin pi by 2 is 1, which is equal to 4. So you will get y plus 1 as 2 plus 1 is 3. उधर जाके divide होगा तो ये है 4 by 3. So y is 4 by 3 minus 1, which is 1 by 3. So you got y as 1 by 3. That's why option A is correct. This is wrong. Now check. What is tan pi by 6? 1 by root 3 square 1 by 3 minus cos pi by 2 0. So this is also 1 by 3, which is correct, and this is wrong. As it is advanced question, it is multiple select question. So please check options carefully. Okay. Now let's go for next question. So this question is from 2015 JEE Advanced, and question is, let y of x be the solution of this differential equation. And initial condition is y at x equal to 0 is 2. Then which one of the following is true? So let us check. So here they have given what is the value of y at distinct points. Means you need to find what is y of x clearly, and then they have given critical points, right? Y of x has a critical point in minus 1 to 0, or y of x has no critical point at minus 1 to 0. So what is critical point? Where you will get derivatives. Suppose if you have y of x equal to 0, then generally we will find y dash of x and will equate to 0. So if you get some x satisfying this equation, then such a point is called as critical point. Okay, so find derivative equate to 0. If you are getting some x in this interval, then that point itself is critical point. If you are getting that point, yes, critical point exists. If you are not getting that point, then critical point does not exist. Okay, so what is the differential equation? First we need to solve, get the solution, and then we will check the options. So here we have 1 plus e power x into y dash plus e power x into y equal to 1. Okay, this is our differential equation, and clearly it is in linear form. See, y dash is your dy by dx, divide throughout by 1 plus e power x. So it is e power x upon 1 plus e power x into y equal to 1 upon 1 plus e power x. See, dy by dx plus py equal to q. Now find integrating factor. What is integrating factor? E to the power integration p dx. And what is p? E power x upon 1 plus e power x dx, which is equal to e to the power. Here see, if we substitute 1 plus e power x as z, e to the power x dx is dz. So this is the form integration dz by z, which is ln z or log to the base ez. And here z is what? 1 plus e power x. And students, your exponential and log, they are inverses. They will get cancelled with each other. So here you will get it as 1 plus e power x. This is your integrating factor, right? Now what will be the solution? Y into integrating factor equal to integration of integrating factor into q into dx plus c. So this is y into 1 plus e power x equal to, this will get cancelled, 1 is remaining, integration of dx is x plus c. Now what is the initial condition given? Y at x equal to 0 is 2. So substitute here x as 0 and y as 2, right? Yes. So this is 2 into 1 plus e power 0, 1 plus 1, 2, which is equal to 0 plus c. And this implies here your c is 4, right? So write c as 4. And this is your solution. So here you got y of x as x plus 4 upon 1 plus e power x. Now check the solution. Okay, now what is y of minus 4? You have it is x plus 4 upon 1 plus e power x. This is your y of x. So what is y of minus 4? It is minus 4 plus 4 by 1 plus e power minus 4. So this is 0 by non-zero number, right? So this is 0. What is y of minus 2? It is minus 2 plus 4 upon 1 plus e power minus 2. So see students, e to the power minus 2 is always greater than 0, right? So it is not, it will never be minus 1. So denominator is always non-zero number. Only we need to check the numerator, and it is also non-zero because 4 minus 2 is 2 and non-zero by non-zero is non-zero. So this will never be equal to 0. Now let us check about critical point. So for critical point, we need to find derivative. What is y dash of x here? Here you have 1 plus e power x whole square, and here you have 1 plus e power x as it is. Derivative of x plus 4 is 1 plus 0, 1 minus here x plus 4. Derivative of 1 plus e power x is e power x. So here you got this as 1 plus e power x minus x e power x minus 4 times e power x whole divided by 1 plus e power x whole square. And this is your 1 plus c minus 4. It is minus 3, and this is your minus x e power x. So it is minus x e power x minus 3 e power x whole divided by 1 plus e power x whole square. This is your y dash of x. Right, and this is a continuous function, right? Because exponential, x, 3, 1 plus e power x, these are all continuous functions. So y dash is your continuous function. So in such a case, they are asking, is it equal to 0? Means you need to check, is 1 minus x into e power x minus 3 times e power x, this will become 0 or not, because denominator is non-zero. So it has no issue. You need to check when numerator is 0. Is you have any element x belongs to minus 1 to 0. So in such a case, students, sometimes it is difficult to get. See here, it is difficult to find x. Is it belong to that interval or not? In such a case, always go for end points. Find y dash at minus 1 is what? Find y dash at 0 will be what? So what is y dash at 0? So this is, see, 1 minus 0, and this is minus 3 into e power 0. This is 1 minus 3, which is minus 2 divided by 1 plus 1, right? Which is 2, 2 square is 4. So this is negative. Next, find y dash at 1. Student, this is 1 minus e minus y dash at -1, right? Because we are considering end point. So -1. So this is 1 minus of -1, which is +1, into e power 1 minus 3 into e power -1 whole divided by 1 plus e power -1 whole square, which is equal to, it is 1 plus 1 by e minus 3 by e whole divided by 1 plus 1 by e whole square, which is 1 minus 1 by e minus 3 by e is minus 2 by e. And what is e? 2 point something. So this is 2 by 2 point something. So the answer will be 0 point something divided by 1 plus 1 by e whole square. And 1 minus point something means you will get some positive number. So it is greater than 0. So students, now plot the graph. It is -1, it is 0. And here you have y dash of x graph. So we got y dash of -1 as positive. Means at -1, value of y dash is some positive number. And y dash of 0 is negative. Means at x equal to 0, y dash of x is some negative number somewhere here. If such a case comes, then please check is your function is continuous. Here your function is continuous. Continuous means what? Your graph should be a continuous curve. There should not be any gap. See, you have y dash from -1 to 0. This is a continuous function. Means you need to have a continuous graph somewhere like this. It can be this case, or suppose it is like this. If it is here -1 and if it is 0. So what actually you need to get? You need to get a continuous curve as y dash, and it should have -1 as well as 0. So it can be like this also. So this means definitely you will get one point where, see, the value of y dash is 0. At least one point. This guarantees there exists x belongs to -1 to 0 such that y dash of x equal to 0, and hence critical point exists. So this is a beautiful theorem in mathematics which says if you have a continuous function in a closed interval, and suppose if end point, check the value of function at end points. If it has opposite signs such as y dash 0 you got negative, y dash -1 you got positive. So if such a case comes, so here it is a and b. Suppose if it is positive, if it is negative, functional values, and if it is a continuous curve, then it will have at least one point where function takes 0. So this you should apply, then you will get yes, it has a critical point in -1 to 0 open interval. Because at -1 it has positive, at 0 it has negative. So it can't be 0, it will take in open interval. Okay. Let's go for next question. Now see, next question is again advanced, and here you need to again solve the differential equation. So here they have given a curve passes through the point 1, pi by 6. Let the slope of the curve at each point x, y is y upon x plus sec y upon x. And here your x is positive and hence sec y upon x. Y upon x is defined because x is non-zero and positive also. Then what is the equation of the curve? So you need to find what is the equation of the curve satisfying this, whatever the information they have given. So what they have given, slope of the curve at each point x, y. And what is the slope of the curve? It is dy by dx. So in general they have given you dy by dx equal to slope of curve at point x, y. It is y upon x plus sec of y upon x. And if you see, you know what is the substitution. See, y upon x, again here also dy upon dx. So what you will go? You will go for substitution. Let y upon x is v, and this implies you got y as vx. But we want dy by dx term. So what is dy by dx? dy by dx equal to v plus x times dv by dx. Substitute in the given differential equation. So this is v plus x times dv by dx is equal to v, y by x is your v, plus sec y by x means sec v. Now see, this will get cancelled. And this is simple variable separable form. So here you will get dv upon sec v equal to dx upon x. And this is implies, what is 1 upon sec? It is cos. This is cos v dv equal to dx upon x. Integrate. Integration of cos sin v. And what is your v? Y upon x equal to integration of 1 by x log to the base ex plus c. Now get the initial condition 1 comma pi by 6 means at x equal to 1 your y is pi by 6. So here you will get sin pi by 6 upon 1 means sin pi by 6 and sin 30 is 1 by 2 and log 1 is 0, so c is your 1 by 2, right? Log 1 0. So you got sin of y by x equal to log to the base e of x plus c means 1 by 2. Let us check the options. So here sin y by x equal to log x plus half. So option A is correct. Okay. This is simple question, so you can do this question. Now let us go for next question, and this question is again from advanced, and here they have given you f is defined from R to R and it is a differentiable function and initial condition is f at x equal to 0 is 0. And they have given let y equal to fx satisfies this differential equation dy by dx equal to 2 plus 5y into 5y minus 2. Then they are asking you what is limit fx as x approaches to minus infinity. Means we need to find this differential equation solution, that is nothing but y, which is fx, and then we need to get what is the limiting value, right? So we will do this question. So here students, first let us take the differential equation this dy by dx equal to 5y plus 2 into 5y minus 2, variable separable form. So here you will get dy divided by 5y plus 2 into 5y minus 2 equal to dx, 1 into dx. Now see, if product comes in the denominator, product of two linear terms, then how to do this? Just subtract these two terms in the numerator. So here you will get 5y plus 2 minus 5y minus 2 divided by, we have 5y plus 2 into 5y minus 2 into dy is equal to dx. Now see, this is 5y plus 2 minus 5y plus 2. So here you will get this as 5y minus 5y will get cancelled and 2 plus 2 is 4, right? Now we need to balance it out. So how can we do this question? Yeah, so here 5y minus 5y is 0 and this is 2 plus 2 is 4. But actually we want what? 1 times dy, and here now we got 4 times dy. So what we need to do? Balance it out by dividing 4. Now 4 and 4 will get cancelled. So this is 1 dy by 5y plus 2 into 5y minus 2 equal to dx. It is same as this, right? Okay. So this is nothing but what? This is nothing but 1 by 4 inside. 5y plus 2 get cancelled. So this is 1 upon 5y minus 2 minus, this is 5y minus 2 will get cancelled, and this is 1 upon 5y plus 2 is equal to dx. Okay. Now what can we do? Next students, we can integrate directly because now this is integrable function. So see, we have here 1 upon 4 inside. See, we need to integrate 1 upon 5y minus 2 means here we want 5, right? Already we have dy here. Here also we want 5 and already we have dy here. Dy is here, right? So this is now 5 dy by 5y minus 2, integrable function, because if z is 5y minus 2, dz is 5 dy. Similarly here, as we multiplied in the numerator by 5, we need to divide also by 5. Now what is integration of dz upon z? Log z. So this is log to the base e 5y minus 2 minus log to the base e 5y plus 2 equal to integration of dx is x plus c. Okay, so this is 1 upon 20 into log a minus log b is what? Log to the base e 5y minus 2 divided by 5y plus 2 equal to, you will get x plus c. Let us multiply 20 there because we want what? 5y minus 2, 5y plus 2 in the simplest form. So from here if you multiply 20 here, then you will get 20x plus 20c. But your c is arbitrary constant, right? So we can adjust it out. So if you write here c1 and here also c1, then here you will get 20x plus 20c1. If c1 is arbitrary, 20c1 is again arbitrary. So we will replace it by c. So here you will get in particular 20x plus c. So from here students, you will get 5y minus 2 upon 5y plus 2 as e power 20x, again see e power 20x plus c, which is e power 20x into e power c. So if c is arbitrary, e power c is again arbitrary. So let us take it as c2 and e power c2 will take it as c. Okay, so this is simple now. Now let us check what is initial condition. F of 0 is 0 means y of 0 is 0, means at x equal to 0, y is 0. Substitute everything as 0. This is 0 minus 2 minus 2, 0 plus 2, 2. C into e power 0 is 1. So you will get, this implies C is equal to minus 1. So here you got 5y minus 2 upon 5y plus 2 is equal to minus e power 20x. Okay, so this is your solution. We need to check what is limit of yx as x approaches to minus infinity. So you need to find what is y of x. So here 5y minus 2 you will get minus e power 20x into 5y plus 2. So this is 5y minus e power 20x into 2, right? Yes. So here take y term common. So you will get 5y common inside 1 plus e power 20x equal to, you will get 2 inside 1 minus e power 20x. From students here, you will get y of x as 2 upon 5 into 1 minus e power 20x upon 1 plus e power 20x, and this is your f of x. Now find what is limit of fx as x approaches to minus infinity. It is 2 by 5 into, what is e power 20 into minus infinity? E power minus infinity. And what is e power minus infinity? 0. So this is nothing but 1 minus 0 upon 1 plus 0. So it is 2 by 5. And this is 0.4. Right. So the answer is 0.4. This is numerical type. Okay. So you can do like this. Next question, see. So here they have given, if phi of x is the solution of the differential equation x into dy minus y square minus 4y times dx equal to 0. Here x is positive and y at x equal to 1 is 2. Then what is the slope of the curve y equal to yx? Never 0. Then okay, they are saying, and the slope of the curve y equal to yx is never 0. Then what is the value of 10 times y at x equal to root 2 will be what? So here they are saying slope of the curve y means dy by dx. This is not equal to 0. Then find what is 10 times y at x equal to square root of 2. What? Okay, so let's do. So we need to find first differential equation solution and then we will see what is y at x equal to root 2. So here we have x into dy minus y square minus 4y into dx equal to 0. So let's take the second term to RHS. So you will get y square minus 4y means y into y minus 4. Right? Yes, into dx. So from here you will get dy upon y into y minus 4 equal to dx upon x. Again see product of linear terms. So you can do this subtraction. So this is y minus 4 divided by y into y minus 4. And here we have dy. So here y will cancel. So you will get first dy upon y minus 4 minus y minus 4 will get cancelled. So this is dy upon y equal to, you will get dx upon x. Now integrate. This integration is log to the base e y minus 4 minus this is log to the base e y. It is equal to log to the base e x plus arbitrary constant of integration log to the base e of c. So this is log a minus log b. So log a by b. So you will get y minus 4 upon y of log equal to this is log a plus log b, which is log ab. So from here log will get cut and you will get y minus 4 upon y as c times x. So we'll get now initial condition y at x equal to 1 is 2. So here we have x as 1 and y as 2. So 2 minus 4 minus 2 upon 4 equal to c into x is 1. Okay, so here you will get implies c is minus half. So here you got y minus 4 upon, see here you have y, right? So this is y. And what is your y? 2. So write your digits neatly. So this is y minus 4 upon y. So it is y is 2 minus 4 minus 2 and your y is 2. So you got c as minus 1. Since c is minus 1, your solution will become y minus 4 upon y equal to minus 1 into x, which is minus x. Now they are asking what is y at x equal to root 2. Okay, so we want what is y. So here you will get y minus 4 as minus xy. So y inside you will get 1 plus x equal to 4. Hence you will get y of x as 4 upon 1 plus x. So what is y at x equal to square root 2? It is 4 upon 1 plus square root 2. Then they are asking what is 10 times y at x equal to root 2. So this is 10 into 4, 40 divided by 1 plus root 2. So this is the answer. Okay. So you can follow this process. Next students, let's go for quadratic equation. So in quadratic equation, suppose if you have quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then what is sum of roots? Two roots will be there, alpha and beta. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a and alpha into beta is c by a. This you should know. So here this is 2020 advanced question. Here they have given suppose a and b denote distinct real roots of the quadratic polynomial x square plus 20x minus 2020, and suppose c and d denote distinct complex roots of the quadratic polynomial x square minus 20x plus 2020, then what is the value of this equation? So here see a and b are roots of this quadratic equation. So what is a plus b? Minus b by a. Minus b means minus 20 by a means 1. Minus 20 by 1. And what is a into b? C by a. Minus 20 by 1. So it is minus 20. C and d be the roots of this equation. So what is c plus d? Minus d by a. Minus b by a. So b is your minus 20. So minus b is plus 20 by 1 means 20. And product of roots is c into d. That is c by a means 20 by 1 means 20. Okay. So this you need to find first. In every quadratic equation, first go for finding these two. Next we have this equation. So this is a square into c. C multiply inside. So this is a square c minus ac square. Plus this is a square d minus ad square. This is b square c minus bc square. And this is b square d minus bd square. Okay, now see what we can take common. So c term is there, so can we take c common? Where we have c? Yes, here we have c. So here c is common, inside we have a square plus b square. Next see minus a we want common. So here we have minus a, again minus a. So minus a inside we have c square plus d square. Next plus d we want common. So here we have plus d inside a square plus b square. Next common we can take remaining term here minus b, inside we have c square plus d square. Again see we have here a square plus b square is common and inside we will get c plus d. and plus here we have c square plus d square common. Inside we have minus a minus b. So again take minus common. So it will become minus inside a plus b. Now see students, we know what is a plus b, c plus d, cd, ab. So convert this expression also in the terms you know. So here a square plus b square is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Into you have c plus d minus this is c plus d whole square minus 2 times cd into you have a plus b. Now substitute the values. So here a plus b is minus 20. So this is minus 20 square means 400 minus 2 times ab. First of all minus minus plus 2 into 20 is 40. So this is minus minus plus. Right, AB is minus 20 minus plus. Next, what is C plus D? C plus D is 20. Next, minus C plus D whole square. C plus D is 20. 20 square is 400. Minus, what is C into D? It is 20 into 2. It is 40. Into A plus B. What is A plus B? Minus 20. Okay. So this is C 400 plus 40. So here it will become 0 plus 0, 0 and this is 4440, right? 0 plus 4, 4, 4 plus 0, 4 and 4. This is 444 and 0. And here we have 20 multiplied. Okay, next is minus and minus plus 20 inside. Subtraction is there. Minus 40 plus 400. Subtract. So this is minus 0 minus 0 and this is your 4 minus 0. 10 minus 4, 6 and 3. So here again 20 common. Again subtraction. So here you have 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 4, 4. And then 14 minus 6 is 8. And this is your 16,000. And that's why option D is correct. So 16,000 is correct answer. Okay. Okay. Student, next question is from Advanced 2011 and here they have given let alpha and beta be the roots of this quadratic equation x square minus 6x minus 2 equal to 0 and here alpha is greater than beta. Let an be alpha power n minus beta power n for n greater than or equal to 1, then what is the value of a10 minus 2 times a8 by 2 times a9? So this is the question based on Newton's formula. So mostly questions will come from this section. So see, suppose if you have an as p times alpha power n plus or minus anything q times beta power n and here p and q are any real numbers and if you have quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and this quadratic equation roots are alpha and beta and they have defined an as this term. So if you have these two given things, then Newton's formula says replace x square by an. Here is your an. Replace x by an minus 1 and replace 1 by an minus 2. And this is your Newton's formula. So apply. So here you have see an as alpha power n minus beta power n. P and q are 1. So what we will do? We will replace x square by an minus 6 times x by an minus 1 minus 2. 1 by an minus 2 equal to 0. Now we have 10, 9, 8 term. Right? Subscript is 10, 9, 8. So we need to substitute here n as 10. So here you will get a10 minus 6 times a9 minus 2 times a8 equal to 0. So from here you will get a10 minus 2 times a8 equal to 6 times a9. So they are asking divided by 2 times a9 we want. a10 minus 2 a8 is there, divided by we want 2 times a9. a9 get cancelled, so this is 3. Right? So that's why option C is correct. Next question. Again this is from Advanced 2017 and here they have given let alpha and beta with the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. And student, again here nth term is p times alpha power n plus q times beta power n. Then what is A12 they are asking. So again this is Newton's formula question. So we'll replace x square by an minus x by an minus 1 and 1 by an minus 2 equal to 0. Now we want what is 12, right? A12. So substitute n as 12. So here you will get A12 minus A11 minus A10 equal to 0, and from here you will get A12 as A10 plus A11, right? And that's why A10 plus A11 is the correct answer. Option B is correct. Okay. So please go with Newton's formula, revise this section. It is very important. Okay students, so today we have seen what are the most easiest questions from JEE Advanced examination. All the very best for your JEE Advanced examination which is happening in the next month. Thank you so much for listening to me very patiently. Thank you. Thank you.